Right. We're not gonna do something that's gonna really upset a few people. We're gonna do something that's gonna upset a lot of you. Okay. This is a pendulum. Okay, and we're gonna do this. Okay. So some of you go out there and go play with your pendulums and do stuff. Okay. So here we go. Okay. So I'm just gonna do this. Spin, 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 spin. All right. Let me do it this way. Let me see if I can try my
I gotta video this because
spin, 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 spin. There's nothing I can do. Spin, spin, spin. Yeah, but you're proving a point. That's really good. Spin, 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 spin. Right. So there's the pendulum. Okay.
you're not believing in your story.
Okay, so let's take my hand out of the equation. Okay, let's take my hand out of the equation. Let's give it a fair drive. Okay, to prove that this is being altered by my physical presence. All right, let's do this. Let's do this just to prove something. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, the pendulum's telling me not to do it. That's what it's doing. There is a spirit guide telling me piss off and leave me alone. Okay. It's a fair chain now, okay? So if I just put my, like I did a minute ago, let me do this, right? Let me just center this. If I do this, I'm going to say spin, 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 spin. Spin, you bastard. Spin, spin, spin. Now that's moving because I'm going spin, 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 spin. So my point being is that with pendulums, I firmly believe that it's an idiomotor response from there to there. So that does that. If I do it that way, it proves. If I do it that way, it proves that my hand isn't influencing that.
What if you rub your hands on
It ain't gonna make an iota of shit. It's bullshit. Happy dowsing and playing with your stairs.